guys, my name is Tabitha. I'm gonna give you a quick review and look at this 71-inch like baby or like pet gate. So if you have animals or children that like to jump or climb, this is gonna be a great option. Now, when it comes to installation, the first thing you need to do is figure out if you need any of the extension pieces and get those added if you do. And then you choose the screws that you need and get those placed on the ends of all four corners. And you're going to tighten those between the walls, creating pressure so that it's pushing from one wall or door frame to the next. It was super quick and easy, and it feels nice and secure. And I love that I don't have to put holes in my walls or door frame. So I have it here in my hallway, blocking my bedroom door, but also my basement door. It's pretty much maxed out here. It was, like at the end of those screws, but it does work and it is still quite secure. So I can, wiggle on this, I can pull on it and it's not going to come down. It also has these little like stabilizer kind of feet on the bottom that do give it some added support. They don't get in the way at all. It just gives a little bit more stability to it. And the only issue that I have found with this is that the little latch is a little bit on the short side. So I do kind of have to pull it over to get it to latch. Now that does make it even more secure because it's even less likely to be, pushed out. So possibly that was intentional, but it is a little bit more complicated than I was expecting to get it latched. Now the door does swing both ways, so it's easy when you're coming and going. You're never going to have to like pull the door towards you. You can always just simply push it and walk through. So if you were in need of a taller baby gate and you weren't so worried that it had a more difficult latch, if you need something tall and wide, this is an awesome option and I would definitely give it a try.